on my last video, you saw me getting the Q60 as muffler delete, and then if you haven't already, please go ahead and watch that video first before you continue on this video. But basically, on this video, we're gonna go ahead and give the Q60 an exercise in one of my favorite back roads, and then in this video you guys are gonna enjoy how it sounds, because it sounds way better than it did on the last video. And then the last video didn't do it any justice because I wasn't really trying to push it too hard, and then I was just trying to get some initial first impressions. And the good news is I got a garage, so now we're gonna start up the Q60 the right way. You might be wondering why, after all this time, it's taken me, just to get a garage. But the thing is, I've been trying to get a garage for months now, ever since I got the Q60 basically. But they said they've been full and they had to look for one as soon as it was available, and this is what I got, and it's right near my building, so it's pretty convenient that I can walk right up to it. Well, look, that's 2,000. That's 2,000. You don't find one a lot nowadays.
There's a old bank. There's a guy that has one of these and it was yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Wrapped or?
No, it came yellow. But he has some real wheels on it. He has a ring on it.
Oh, this is clean, dude. This is clean. Well, say hi to the channel.
What's going on, channel?
Gotta try it, Will.
All right, so
It's made his first step to healthy snacks.
I really did. Look at that.
If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and check out the channel and subscribe to us and watch my other videos. So the back road that I showed you guys, I actually showed you guys this back road on my very first videos. It's about 70 miles away from home, and it's only about an hour drive, but it's taking a little bit longer because there's more traffic, because I forgot to take into account that it's kind of rush hour right now. But stay tuned, there's a lot more good views because we like views. And we got Will in the back there in the GT, and we're kind of going slow because there's a trooper behind him and we don't want to get pulled over. I forgot that I need to change my batteries of my mic, so that's why. You want to take a piss?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Okay guys, so gas station to the rescue. I had this on for about 3 months now, and I didn't think that I would need to change it, not today at least, because when I turned it on at home, it still had plenty of power left, and then it just decided that it was gonna run out, so I better change it now than I have to change it later when we're actually filming. But gas station to the rescue, the journey goes on. So we're at a very secret location here in Georgia, and the good thing about living in Georgia is that you're pretty much close to mountains and back roads, and this is one of my favorite back roads. And then, like I said earlier, if you haven't seen my first ever videos of the Stinger POV and then the 440 POV, you should check that out now to get a glimpse of what this road looks like. But we're gonna do a POV on that on the next video. But for this video, we're gonna go ahead and do an exhaust clip, you know, like exhaust clip, acceleration, flybys, and everything. We might even do a rap battle against the GT over there. So more on his GT. This is 2017 GT. What is it, Will? 16 or
16?
It's a 16 GT. It's the pre-refreshed ones. But this is one special thing that he did to it that's gonna make this rap battle really fun, is that he got a resonator delete, which I'm pretty sure is still louder than even the new, you know, the new GTs with the performance package. This is still louder, but yeah, it should be fun. Should be fun. I think it's louder.
I don't know, maybe.
I think it's louder, you know?
Yeah, sounds good.
If you guys have your headphones, you might want to turn it up now, and I can definitely tell you that this straight pipe mod that I did on the last video is definitely worth it. And if you have a Q60, and if you have a Q60 and you're thinking about buying a Q60, just buy it. It's definitely worth it. And if you're worried about the sound, this is the first mod that you should definitely do to it. So let's get the show rolling. Will is up to, guys, but from a Mustang owner, he can attest to how loud the Q60 is now. So how loud is it, Will?
Pretty loud. It sounds like a jet, like a spaceship when it's passing by.
So in case you haven't noticed by now, guys, this place is really quiet. If you're in Georgia and you want to do some videos together, and then you want to have your own mini car show, this is a good place to do it. It's only 70 miles away from where I live, and I live in Duluth. So if you're anywhere close by, we should, message me on Instagram, and then we could set up a meet. But now, more exhaust. For the next video, we're gonna go ahead and do a POV of this back road, so that you guys can enjoy the view and enjoy what the car sounds like from the inside. Even though I already got give you guys a glimpse of what it sounded like from the inside. But basically, this exhaust is definitely worth it, and like I said earlier, it only costs about 700 bucks, and then about an hour and a half to install. But I guess if you can install it yourself, you could go ahead and save yourself the extra $150. And I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of rep battle with the GT over there as a way to end the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I do like seeing views like this. This is basically why you enjoy life, right? You go on adventures, you chase views, you buy cars that make you feel happy, and then there's nothing else to it, honestly. So Alright.